Hi everyone, welcome to C Programming Coding Challenges session. This is the problem statement. Enter Y R N uppercase Y or uppercase N. You have to enter the uppercase Y or uppercase N through the keyboard. If I enter uppercase Y, then it should display character is Y. This is the first case. Second case, enter uppercase Y or uppercase N. This time I am entering uppercase N through the keyboard, then it should display character is N. In the third case, enter YRN. If I enter lowercase n, it should display invalid. Okay, again, it has to take the input through the keyboard, enter YRN. If I enter lowercase y, it should display invalid. When it should be terminate, if I enter YRN, if I enter uppercase y, then or uppercase n, it should be display the message, then it should be terminate. These are some of the constraints you have to use to write this code. Don't use printf and scanf function, and use only while loop and else if ladder concept, and don't use break, go to, and exit. You can pause this video. You can try this code once. So we'll start writing the code. Int main, execution of the program begin from here. I will declare the variable, character variable, inp input. Then I will take one more variable, valid. I'm assigning a value in. Then I will introduce while loop, while valid variable, assigning the value for n. I'm just checking the condition. So I'm just checking condition. Valid, n is assigned for the valid, n is equal to n, condition become true. Again, I'm changing the value for the valid variable. I'm assigning k value to the valid variable. I don't use any printf. I will use puts instead of the printf. Enter. Enter y or n. So if I want to take an input through the keyboard, now I will use get character. Input output functions, get character I will take, character based input output function, get character. Then I will use a flash stdin to clear the value stored in the input buffer. Then I will introduce else if ladder. If this inp is equal to uppercase y, I will use puts character is y. Will introduce else if, just checking inp is equal to n, puts character is n. And I will introduce else. This is very important. Now I'm reassigning value to the valid variable as a n. Why? Because again, if you enter invalid, that loop should be keep on repeating. That is the reason I'm assigning this. This is very important. Why? Because n is equal to n. If you enter invalid, n is equal to n always gets true. That is the reason it's keep on entering. If you enter invalid character, if you enter valid, it should be come out. Why? Because I'm assigning this k. So k is equal to n, its condition become false. That is the reason it's come out. But if you enter invalid, it should keep on repeating. That's the reason. Now else I have assigning n to the valid variable and put as invalid. Compile and run this program. Error is here. We'll check the error. What is that error? That's semicolon. Enter Y. First case is satisfied. Enter N. Second case is also satisfied. Then this time I enter lowercase n, then invalid, lowercase y, invalid, any other character, invalid. When I want to come out, you can enter uppercase y or uppercase n. In this way, you have to write a code. You can try it in other ways also. Keep on practicing the code. See you in my next session. Thank you.